Are you tired of people asking if you've been in a boxing match with your alarm clock every morning? Under-eye bags can make you look more exhausted than a marathon runner at the finish line. But fear not, because your friendly eye doctor is here to spill the beans on how to banish those pesky bags once and for all. Why do we get under-eye bags? First off, let's get the science out of the way. Under-eye bags occur when the tissues around your eyes, including some of the muscles supporting your eyelids, weaken. Normal fat that helps support the eyes can then move into the lower eyelids, causing the lids to appear puffy. Fluids can also accumulate in the space below your eyes, adding to the swelling. Factors like lack of sleep, allergies, smoking, and even too much salt in your diet can make these bags worse. So in short, life happens, and it shows up right under your peepers. The benefits of having under-eye bags. Okay, before you roll your eyes and make those bags worse, let's talk about some unexpected benefits of under-eye bags. 1. Built-in conversation starter. Instant sympathy and conversation opener. Oh, you look tired. Everything okay? 2. Unique identifier. Forget fingerprints. Your eye bags are like your very own biological barcode. 3. Excuse generator. Late to work? Blame it on your eye bags. After all, they're proof of a sleepless night. Now that we've had a good laugh, let's move on to the real solutions. How to get rid of under-eye bags. 1. Sleep it off. It's no secret that getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep can do wonders. Your body heals and regenerates while you sleep, so catch those Z's. 2. Cold compresses. Chilling your eye area can reduce swelling. Use chilled spoons, cucumber slices, or even a bag of frozen peas. Just make sure to wrap them in a cloth to avoid frostbite. We're aiming for refreshed, not frozen. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and reduce the likelihood of puffiness caused by water retention. 4. Cut down on salt. Excessive salt can cause your body to retain water, which leads to puffiness. Try to limit your salt intake and see if it helps those bags deflate. 5. Tea bags to the rescue. Place cooled, used tea bags over your closed eyes. The caffeine in tea can constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. 6. Elevate your head. When you sleep, try using an extra pillow to keep your head elevated. This can prevent fluid from pooling under your eyes. 7. Allergy management. If allergies are causing your puffy eyes, talk to your doctor about over-the-counter or prescription allergy medications. 8. Healthy diet. Eating foods rich in vitamins C and E can help improve your skin's health and elasticity, reducing the appearance of bags. 9. Cosmetic solutions. There are plenty of creams and treatments designed to reduce under-eye puffiness. Look for products with ingredients like retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. 10. Consult a pro. If all else fails, it might be time to visit a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon. Procedures like laser therapy, chemical peels, or fillers can provide more dramatic results. The final word. Under-eye bags are a common issue, but with a few lifestyle changes and some handy tricks, you can reduce their appearance and wake up looking fresh-faced and ready to take on the world. So go ahead, give these tips a try, and let your eyes shine bright without those pesky bags.